with this nail that touch the hair, and you go up. To come back, you have to find the middle.
Okay.
Okay, and then use your 2 fingers to take this part of the try, so you have as a reference, and come back. Okay, to make the peacock, you have to go like this, tick, 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 tick.
Okay.
From one part to the other part. From one part to the other.
How big? So do I move it? So do I start?
Okay.
And then go back?
Yeah, go back. And then again. There is the touch.
And then just lift up.
Don't make it the bubble, the bubble hair.
And then put this corner down?
Yes. Because if you leave the sheet, do like this.
Okay.
Put this.
Alrighty. And you just pull up?
Pull. Go, go, go.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay, perfect. It's heavy.
Okay, so just put it all the way down and just rest it.
Just you need to have some
movement.
Did I do it enough?
Just let me see. Let's see what.
That's okay. It's fun. It's fun.
It's coming.
That was wrong.
That's fun.